Saturday morning. Time for Michiana Hot Wheels. But first, we gotta get her fix. Mr. Mom's Racing. Got our breakfast ate up. Our boots are tight. Hope me, Joe, and General don't get in a fight. Us Michiana Hot Wheels, guys. Let's go do some picking. See you inside. Womp, womp, womp.
Now everybody has to sign in. Everybody.
Look at that, guys. General is at the buffet. Buffet of sugar. Oh, yes. Coffee. Donuts. Oh, boy, I had 3 glasses of that. Orange juice, tea. Whew. I think General's lining in his bag. Taking some home. Hey, how's it going, guys? Just got back from the Michiana Hot Wheels Club. Give you a little peek on what we picked up. Gold. You know it's going to be in the gold race. Some backup camera cars. Never have too many of those. Cadillac. It's heavy. I don't know how fast it is. I was pretty excited about this one. Cabin fever. I've never seen it in a white like that. She's nice. We got the entire new Marvel set. Halloween cars. These are all going to be upcoming racing videos. See something that you guys like, let us know. Got super fast. That's supposed to be smoking fast. This is what Red Pill is telling me. So I had to check it out. Tonica. Chase piece. Tire set. You know we're gonna rip these in racing. That's pretty nice. There's some cars for Hot Wheels Calgary track. Those always seem to do good. We'll see what they do here. Cotton Owens. Hurdle. Very odd. The General picked up a Redbird. The parking plates. Very nice. 57 Chevy. Can't go wrong with that one. She's fast. All 3 of those. Very fast castings. Thought I had all of these. I had never seen an orange one before. So for $1, I had to pick it up. Look at that super chrome. Very nice. The Auto World with plastic tires. We're gonna see how that goes. Johnny Lightning. I'm always a sucker for Johnnies. They almost never win, but they always look cool. Got another Cobra. Couple Escalades. Ferrari. Hot Wheels. Foam old tires. We'll see how that does. I have not seen this one before, except for on FTE wheels. We'll see how she does. Alright, Bubba. That's my haul. What you got? See what I got. Got a really good deal on these things. Me and Joe are going to do something special with Disney cars. Whenever we can pick them up cheap, we do. Originally $747. I just bought a camper at Walmart the other day, and it was like $6. So they must be going down in price or something. But I paid $5 for this in the package. We paid $2 for each one of these. And on the blue track, they're real screamers, that's for sure. And paid $2 for that. For Zender. Can't go wrong with that. The Zender Pack 4. Oh boy, you guys. Look what we got there. No, sorry, I paid $1 for everything in here actually. Except for these. And these ones right here, I think I paid $2 or $3 for these. And a metal split window vet. It's an Easter edition. Yeah, really excited about that. Oh boy. No hood on that guy. Auburn. Panel punch. Just saying. Oh yeah, that's a Matchbox Escalade. Got gold wheels, red pill. Oh, pick these up for my buddy. Get a McLaren nut. And then, like the sign you guys saw when we first walked in, got our new truck today. The club. So, you saw Joe's, you saw mine. But now, let's have a look at BFG Super Haul. Hold tight. Okay guys, check it out. BFG just came here from his haul from Michiana Hot Wheels. You are not going to believe what he picked up for a wow, we not only just pick up stuff up for $1, all these FTEs scored like crazy. This one, no, he didn't pay that. I know that much. Mr. Mom Mini, 5-spoke, epic fast. BFG, what'd you pay for these unpunched Hot Wheels?
$7.
$7 you paid for these guys? Yeah, you can tell. That's right, Mr. Mom Joe. That's right. You can tell that me and Mr. Mom Joe, we got to Michiana Hot Wheels a little too late. I don't even want to know what he paid for these Fairmonts. Brand new, spanking new. Okay, guys, Michiana Hot Wheels. Like I said earlier, hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know in the comments. Until next time, Mr. Mom's Racing over and out. Mr. Mom's Racing.
You're probably happy that you weren't doing that. I would love to know. It was too